Detmore 101 here with another Makes Money or Costs Money tool review, and today we're talking about the Oneida Dust Deputy. Now the Dust Deputy is this part on top. I'm specifically going to review this part and this part separately. So let's jump into this part. Essentially, dirty air from your vacuum cleaner is sucked into this, debris drops down, clean air is pulled out of the top, it saves your vacuum filter, your vacuum bag, and this piece here is 100% a money maker. So you can buy this piece, I believe, separately, or you can buy this piece with a 5-gallon bucket and the hose for about $109. And that is a money-making tool. Wow, wow, wee-wah, is that a good purchase? And now let's jump into this bottom piece. So this was meant to mount on top of a Festool or any vacuum cleaner that accepts Thanos Systainers, and these little lips on the bottom were supposed to connect to that. And what ends up happening is this is a little bit too much weight and size and bulk to go on top of those vacuums without breaking it. So this vacuum cleaner, this portion is not a moneymaker because remember, this and the bucket are $109, but this whole unit is $319. So you're spending $200 more for this bottom bit. And this bottom bit actually is not worth it. So this, as it sits, is the type of tool someone buys who's a bit of a Festool nut like I was when I purchased this. And they've got more money than sense. And they say, sure, I'll spend 3 times more on a product that does the exact same thing but only works with these specific vacuums, and then ends up breaking the top of your specific vacuum. So now you're into $400 to fix the vacuum that you broke because you bought the more expensive Deputy. What you should have bought was just the top or the 5-gallon bucket one. It would work with any of them, and you could sort of jerry-rig it with the extra $200 you have laying around. So Dust Deputy, Oneida, 100% a moneymaker. This black bottom that goes on top of the CT vacuums, not a moneymaker in my book. Now, there's always caveats, right? How could this make money for you? Well, it is a nice shape, right? So I would say if I was sanding drywall all day, every day, and I was following up a taper who didn't know what they were doing and left ridges everywhere, then I could set up a nice little drywall situation. I've seen guys make like little plywood boxes to house these so they're not breaking their vacuums, and it would be a nice little compact unit, it would do the job. But that's only because I have this already. If I didn't have it, I would come up with a better situation because I'm not really in love with the size and the clunkiness of this whole situation. So for me, this is going to be on the Makes Money side of the table for the top, and the Cost Money side of the table for the bottom.